everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. My name is Shilpa and today I'm going to create a fake story. The fake story is that many of you know about the tenses, many of you know about the how to make sentences, but sometimes many of you stuck to create your own story. Sometimes you stuck to express your own thoughts. We know everything, but knowing everything, we are not able to create our story. We are not able to express our thoughts. So here I am going to show you how you can express your own thoughts in the story. So as you know, there is a series going on my YouTube channel. Using half sentence I create stories. So without any further delay, I am going to create the story. So one day I was lying down on my bed. Suddenly my phone started ringing. It was my friend call and she started telling me to come outside to go for the shopping. I said okay, and I got up immediately. I got dressed and left for meeting my friend. So after some time she came and we hugged together, we met to each other and we left for the shopping. My friend and I started heading towards the shop. Immediately I saw that there was coming a truck, and from here it was coming a rickshawala, and the truck ran into brutally the rickshawala. The rickshawala got injured brutally. Immediately people gathered over there. One of them took him to hospital and I got scared. That was nothing short of scary, and I was scared that what happened to. I was going to market to purchase something, but it was happened. I was not familiar with that situation. I along with my friend went the nearby hospital where the rickshawala was admitted. I was there until he got relaxed. When I got to know that he was okay, I was there. So after some time, after 2 to 3 hours, he got relaxed. When the doctor came outside, I asked doctor what happened to him. He was okay, he was fine or not. So the doctor said the person got injured brutally. It will take 1 week to recover that person. And when I got to know, I was completely scared. It was nothing short of scary for me, because I went there to purchase something, but when I saw the accident, I got scared completely. My friend handled me and said that please Shilpa, let's go to home. I said no, I will not go back to my home until he is okay. And my friend said when he will be okay, then we will go back to home. I said okay, but until I will not go when he recover, when he will be okay. And immediately I saw that the doctor coming towards the outside, and immediately I ran towards the doctor and immediately asked that doctor, what happened the person? He is okay or not? He said that he got injured brutally. It will take time to recover that person. You can go home, but do one thing, that you keep coming to see the person. I said okay. When I got to know that now he is okay, but it will take time to recover, and I decided to go back to my home. When I reached my home, I narrated everything to my mother. She started hugging me, she started caressing me, she started making me understand that it's okay, it will be okay, he will be okay, don't worry. Okay, so I got relaxed, and next day I, along with my mother, went to again the hospital. When I got to know that the person is okay, I took a deep breath. I asked to doctor, I want to talk to that person, he will feel better. So he said that okay, you can talk. I went inside and asked that you will be okay, don't worry, don't take tension. After that, when I got to know that he is okay, I came back to my home, and reaching my home, I started thinking that what happened today. I went to the market to purchase something along with my friends, but ended up I reached hospital. It was hilarious day for me, it was dangerous day for me, and it was nothing short of scary for me. So that day was not good for me, but it was okay. When I got to know that the person is okay, now I took a deep breath, and after that I had my dinner along with my family and went to the bed to take rest, and finally I hit the sack. So guys, this is the fake story. This is a very natural, very situational story, I would say. You also can create your own story. Creating the story, you will know that where you are stucking. When you got to know that you are stucking in this situation, that you are making mistake in this way, you can see yourself, you can understand yourself, and you can improve yourself. So I would say, if you really want to be fluent, if you really want to speak English, please create your own story. Simple, fake story. If you don't know how to create a story, if you don't know that how you can fake a story, if you don't have any idea to create a fake story, do one thing. Read any kid story and try to express in your words the same story. Kid story, 2 to 3 standards story you can read and try to speak, try to express in your words. So I hope this video was helpful for you to create your story. If you want to be fluent, then you can create your own story. If you really want to learn this language, and I would say stick with me, stick with the Grow With Shilpa channel, so that you can learn how to speak a normal story, how to speak situational story, so that you can also use in your daily life. I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope this video was informative for you. You have enjoyed the story in a very simple way. So if you like this story, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't go without liking this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.